Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shooter game in Scratch. Make sure you make a better aimer than me, because then it'll be impossible to click. So, what you'll need to do is first, you can find any sprite, you can even import your own, and then use it as the enemy. And then put this code in. Oh, and this one, it needs to be switching it to the costume that's dead. You need two costumes, one that's alive and one that's dead. So this is the code for the enemy, and you have to draw a crosshair or a aimer. Make sure you make it better than me, or it'll be very hard to shoot. Actually, it's a good idea to just make it go to the front layer. So you need to do go to front layer. There. So when flag clicked, this is for the aimer. When flag clicked, go to front layer, forever go to mouse pointer. So then it'll follow. Oh, wait, this is wrong. Back layer. There. And then you have a shooter game. This was a very short video. Wow. I'll see you in the next one.